Hello friends, see this right here behind me? This is the brand new Irrigreen controller that was just launched yesterday. I had heard rumors about this thing. I got the updates on when it was going to be coming. I got mine in and installed, but it actually wasn't here to begin with. So let me show you what happened. So like the other sprinkler timer, which had nothing wrong with it, this is just a new updated version that connects with Alexa. It's got better auto watering. They increased its ability to read local weather. Connectivity's improved, all of these different things. It's just a majorly improved controller, and obviously it looks really super cool. Now, I installed this in place of where my old one was, and there'll be more updates coming soon about upgrading your system, or if you're ordering a new one, this one will be coming with it. Discounts on the older style box, all of that. I'm hoping to either give away my old box or and I'm waiting for answers on that to see if that's possible, to have it blanked and installed if somebody wanted to build their own system. So more details will follow on that. So as I said, I installed this on the outside of the house where the old one was, and it was going to be fine. Some rain came in and I wasn't able to finish the complete setup of identifying and setting the shapes back on the sprinklers. And some of them pre-populated in with the old shapes, some of them didn't. So there was just a little bit of work that had to be done, and it didn't really take all that much time. Well, this morning I came out to it and I was going to finish the process, and I couldn't get the app to connect. Now let me back up for a second. The app has been updated as well. All of the new features of the new controller are in the app. You can do walkthroughs, you can see how much different and how much more improved this particular piece of equipment is, and what it'll do for your system over time. Well, back to the story. So I couldn't get anything to connect, and I was really irritated, as one gets when they put in a new piece of hardware onto something that felt like it didn't really need anything new or special, right? So I immediately think there's something wrong with this guy. It's so nice though, the way it greets you every time you open it. But it wasn't. Let me show you, somewhere down in my pocket. This. Okay. Let me show you something else, hold on. My dog has been on a literal tear lately, and she does not like Irrigreen systems, like at all. The other day, about 3 or 4 days ago, she tore through this Y system right here, this Y cable that I've got right here that connects the back zone to the front where the green is, and shredded that whole thing, plus tore another one of the lines off. So that was outside, right? Then with the new one, this was plugged in, mind you. She chewed that off. I think she probably got a little bit of a taste of electricity on that one, and I hope so. So I've had to replace certain things. And not only that, I've actually had to replace a couple of cables that she dug up, digging down to the sprinkler head itself, pulling it out, and then I've had to replace those. Pony, what did you do? So this is the old box. Again, upgrades on the cosmetics, upgrades on the way the power cable was. This was the old one here. The transformer was inside. Now it's in the back here. When you opened the old box, here's what you got. It kind of looked like this. Extra controls and everything. That's all cool. And you can control old system components with this as well. I'm assuming you can do the same thing here. Inside here, you've got more connectivity for other lines. So this should be potentially other ones. I haven't dug into it yet to really take a look at it. But, you've got some big differences here in the box. Just a sleeker new unit with controllable here that can go through, and I can see all of my different zones from here. Not really anything you could do with the old system, so I can actually do quick runs, kick them on if I want to, and get them running from here instead of using the app as well. So anyway, nothing wrong with these boxes. Like I said, worked totally fine. Connectivity was fine. This is just increased and better. So for those of you who are looking at systems who might have one that they've been considering purchasing, these are all going to be coming out with the new ones. And like I said, there's going to be discounts apparently on getting rid of some of the older controllers as well. So I had to move this inside because I was sick of replacing cables, and now it has a place of honor under some of my different print articles that were done here. That's kind of fun. And behind the poison cabinet. So far everything's hooked up, everything's running, everything's working great. There is a sale going on right now. There's gonna be links below if you guys wanna check that out. I'll be giving you guys some updates on the lawn here before too long, but if you wanna find out more about these systems, just check out these videos right here. I got a couple of them you can take a look at that'll kind of give you a little more in-depth look into how these have been for me. And that's about it. I'll talk to you guys later. See ya.